Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 12th of March, 2024. In yet another volatile session on March 12, the Indian benchmark indices ended on a mixed note with BSE Sensex rising 165.32 points or 0.22% at 73,667.96, while the Nifty gained 3 points or 0.01% at 22,335.70. Top gainers on the Nifty included HDFC Bank, TCS, LTI Mindtree, Maruti Suzuki and Infosys, while losers were Adani Enterprises, Cipla, Grazim Industries, Adani Ports and SBI. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of SANGHI Industries up 7% on March 12 after Adani Group-owned Ambuja Cements intends to divest up to 2% stake in SANGHI Industries to comply with minimum public shareholding norms. Ambuja Cements Limited, the promoter of the company, have conveyed to us their intention to sell the equity shares to enable us to comply with minimum public shareholding norms, said SANGHI Industries in a stock exchange filing. Up to 2% of the total paid-up equity share capital of the company, which, as of today's paid-up equity share capital, is 51,66,520 equity shares in financial year 2025, said SANGHI Industries. The shares of JUPITOR WAGONS Limited, on March 12, rose 5%. This increase followed the announcement that the Railway Ministry had placed an order for the manufacturing and supply of 2,237 BOSM wagons. These wagons are designed to efficiently transport bulk goods, such as coal and ore, within the Indian railway network. This initiative is expected to contribute to smoother trade and foster economic growth in the region. We eagerly anticipate playing a pivotal role in the realization of the government's visionary goals, leveraging our expertise and resources to contribute meaningfully to the advancement of India's railway infrastructure, the management said in a regulatory filing. Shares of KFIN Technologies slumped 5% in opening trade on March 12 after around 36 lakh shares, making up a 2.1% stake, changed hands in a Rs 211 crore block deal. The block deal also tipped off a spike in volumes in the counter as 44 lakh shares changed hands so far, significantly more than the one-month daily traded average of 6 lakh shares. While Money Control could not immediately identify the parties involved in the transaction, CNBC Awas had reported on March 11 that Kotak Mahindra was looking to unload a 2% stake in KFIN Tech. The deal was expected to earn Kotak Mahindra Bank 218 rupees crore at a floor price that offered a maximum of 5% discount compared to the previous closing price. Shares of SPICEJET crashed 8% on March 12 after reports suggested that the Chief Operating Officer Arun Kashyap and Chief Commercial Officer Shilpa Bhatia have tendered their resignation. Commenting on this development, the management said that this was a part of SPICEJET's strategic restructuring and the company continues to see significant growth in revenue and load factor. With the recent fundraise, SPICEJET has speeded up the process of resolution of all past disputes. The company looks forward to adding capacity, growing rapidly and continuing to play a large role in the Indian aviation sector, they added. SMS Pharmaceuticals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 182.25 points with a change of 13.27% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.716 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 168.49, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.89. SANGHI Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 108.95 points with a change of 8.41% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.393 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 107.16, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 45.51. HEG Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1808.85 points with a change of 7.94% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.503 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1702.51, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.12. For the stock recommendation we have, Aditya Birla Capital Limited looks good and can be bought at 184 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 178 rupees and a target of 190 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.